Good morning, players. So after the shit show on wheels that was Frumpy Dump's appearance on 4 News with Brett Baier last night, I guess Judge Eileen Cannon said, hey, Frumpy Dump, I'm going to grant you a reprieve because you need to stop talking and making this case for the prosecutors. So, baby, she said, it's time to hurry this thing along. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat because, baby, Judge Eileen Cannon says we going to trial in August. So Judge Eileen Cannon has decided to put it on paper, honey, issuing her first order in the Frumpy Dump classified documents case. She has set a trial date and also established some pretrial instructions and sentencing procedures. So she has set a tentative date of August 14th for the start of Frumpy Dump's trial on charges that he obstructed and mishandled America's classified documents. In other words, honey, he was keeping America's classified documents in his shitter. So the procedural order sets various filing deadlines for the Justice Department and Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team leading up to the trial, which Judge Cannon has also ruled will take place in a Fort Pierce, Florida courthouse, not in Miami, where Frumpy Dump's initial appearance and arraignment took place. Now, of course, we know, honey, the August 14th trial date is not set in stone. It's likely to shift based on negotiations between Frumpy Dump Cracker Jack Box legal team, the Justice Department, and Judge Cannon as they navigate what is likely to be a very complex and contentious discovery process. But all pretrial motions must be filed by July 24th. The order also sets aside only 2 weeks for the trial, despite prosecutors previously signaling that they would need 3 weeks to put up their evidence. Now, I don't know if Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team are going to want to prolong these proceedings, considering the fact that Frumpy Dump continues to put his foot in his mouth, not only on social media, but out in interviews. Just last night, as previously reported, Frumpy Dump did an interview with Fox News' Brett Baier, where he stated that he took those documents because he was rushing during his move from the White House and wanted to go through his personal items. However, in the indictment, prosecutors alleged that Frumpy Dump had once told them that he had already turned over all of those classified documents, that he complied with the subpoena to turn things over. And of course, when they raided the Roach Motel Mar-a-Lago, they found more classified documents. And also, it's been reported that Frumpy Dump did not want to negotiate with the Justice Department in turning in those classified documents. And also, his attorneys are dropping like flies, likely because he's a horrible client, or they're looking at previous attorneys that Frumpy Dump has had, like John Eastman, who is facing a disbarment proceeding in California today. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Put your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this, players? This is Double D.